Not many people know this, but your car can last over 700,000 miles if you know the right tricks. Most cars are built to go the distance, but only if you take care of them the right way. Skip the essentials, and you'll be stuck with costly repairs or an early trip to the junkyard. So, what's the secret? Today, I'm revealing 11 game-changing tips to keep your car running for decades. Stick around for the bonus tip at the end. It could save you thousands in repairs. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Fix small issues before they become costly repairs. Ignoring small problems leads to expensive breakdowns. A minor coolant leak can cause overheating, and a worn belt can snap, leaving you stranded. Check for cracked hoses, worn belts, and exhaust leaks. They impact performance and fuel efficiency. Strange noises, fluid puddles, or dashboard lights signal trouble. Address issues early. Fixing a small problem is cheaper than repairing major damage. If you're unsure, get it checked by a mechanic. Secret number 2. Pay attention to warning signs and strange noises. Catching small issues early is key. But how do you know when something's wrong? Your car gives you warning signs if you pay attention. Dashboard lights are your first clue. A check engine light could mean something simple like a loose gas cap or a serious engine problem. Don't ignore it. Strange noises matter too. Grinding, squealing, or knocking often signal brake, suspension, or engine trouble. Unusual smells like burning oil or coolant could mean leaks or overheating. Notice changes in how your car drives. Rough idling, power loss, or shaking can indicate engine or transmission issues. An OBD2 scanner helps diagnose problems before they turn costly. We've handpicked the best OBD2 scanners to make diagnostics easy and reliable. Check the links in the description. Secret number 3. Check your fuel system. Your car's fuel system is its lifeline. Here's how to take care of it. First, don't let your fuel level drop below a quarter tank. Over time, fuel tanks collect sediments and water. Running on low fuel can suck these into the fuel pump, clogging the filter or damaging fuel lines. Plus, the fuel pump relies on fuel for cooling. Regularly driving on low fuel can cause it to overheat and fail. A new pump can cost $500 or more, so it's not worth the risk. Check and replace your fuel filter per your manual, usually every 50,000 kilometers. A clean filter keeps contaminants out of the engine. Fuel injectors, which deliver fuel precisely, should be cleaned every 30,000 kilometers to maintain performance and mileage. Refer to your manual for replacement intervals as they vary by car. Secret number 4. Protect your car from rust and corrosion. Rust spreads fast and weakens your car's structure. Once it starts, it's hard to stop. Regular maintenance is the best defense. Wash your car often, especially in winter. Road salt speeds up corrosion, eating away at metal. After washing, dry the undercarriage and wheel wells. Moisture trapped there can start rusting hidden parts. A protective layer makes a big difference. Wax or ceramic coating seals the paint, keeping moisture out. If you live in a snowy area, undercoating helps. It shields exposed metal underneath from road salt and grime. Small paint chips can turn into rust spots. Touch them up quickly to prevent exposure. Rust-free cars last longer, stay stronger, and hold value better. Taking these steps now saves major repairs later. Secret number 5. Flush and replace fluids on time. The most important fluids to replace include brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can affect braking performance. Power steering fluid helps your car steer smoothly. If it gets old or low, steering will become harder. Transmission fluid keeps your gears shifting smoothly. Old fluid can cause rough shifting and even damage the transmission. Check your car's owner's manual for when to replace these fluids. For most cars, brake fluid should be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Power steering fluid needs to be checked regularly, and transmission fluid should be replaced every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Depending on the make and model. It's not just about replacing the fluids, it's also about using the right ones. Always use the fluids recommended by the manufacturer. Using the wrong fluid can cause serious damage to your car's systems. Secret number 6. Use high-quality fluids and filters. Let's break it down. For engine oil, always use the type your car's manual recommends. Synthetic oil is often best. It lasts longer and works better under high temperatures. This keeps your engine running smoothly. Transmission fluid is just as important. If it gets dirty or low, your transmission can start to slip or even break down. Changing the fluid on time can save you from expensive repairs. Coolant is another must-have. If your coolant isn't right, your engine can overheat. That can cause major damage. Always check the coolant level and replace it with the correct type. Don't forget the filters. Air filters keep dirt out of your engine. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Oil filters keep the oil clean, and fuel filters prevent dirt from getting into the engine. Replacing them on schedule helps everything run smoothly. Secret number 7, use quality replacement parts. When your car needs repairs, don't cut corners with cheap parts. Sure, aftermarket parts may be cheaper, but they often don't last as long as OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts. OEM parts are made to fit your car perfectly. They match the quality of the parts that were installed when your car was first built. Cheap replacement parts might seem like a good deal, but they can cause more problems down the road. For example, low-quality brakes can wear out faster, putting your safety at risk. Poor quality suspension parts can affect your car's handling and comfort, and bad timing belts can fail and cause serious engine damage. It's always best to use OEM parts, especially for important components. These parts are designed specifically for your car. They're tested for durability and reliability. If you're on a budget, you don't have to buy new OEM parts. Certified refurbished parts can be a great option. These parts have been inspected and tested to ensure they meet OEM standards. Secret number 8, drive smoothly and responsibly. Quick starts, hard stops, and sharp turns put extra strain on your engine, brakes, and suspension. Let's look at the numbers. Studies show that aggressive driving can cut a car's lifespan by as much as 10 years. That's a lot of extra repairs you could avoid with smoother driving. What should you do? First, avoid rapid acceleration. Gunning the engine wastes fuel and wears out components. Instead, accelerate slowly and steadily. Next, try to keep a steady speed, especially on highways. Constant speeding up and slowing down causes more stress on your car. Cruise control can help with this. It keeps your speed even and reduces engine strain. Also, be gentle with braking. Hard braking wears out your brake pads and rotors. Try to anticipate stops so you can brake slowly. Lastly, avoid carrying too much weight in your car. Overloading stresses the suspension and tires. If you're hauling something heavy, make sure it's within your car's recommended weight limit. Did you know? Driving aggressively can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 33% on highways and 5% in the city. Smooth driving not only helps your car last longer, but also saves you money at the pump. Want to learn about bad driving habits that can ruin your car? Click the link above. Secret number 9, keep your tires in top shape. Tire pressure isn't just a minor detail. It's crucial for safety, performance, and fuel savings. Most cars need between 28 and 36 psi, but guessing isn't good enough. Check your owner's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the exact number. Tires lose about 1 psi per month, and that small drop won't trigger your warning light until it's too low. Underinflated tires waste fuel, wear out faster, and can even lead to blowouts. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. If you notice uneven wear, it's time for a wheel alignment. Also, inspect for cuts, cracks, or damage, and replace worn-out tires before they become a hazard. Want an easy way to maintain them? Tools like the TireTech Tire Pressure Gauge or the Astro AI Tire Inflator make it simple. Want to avoid making costly mistakes with your tires? Click the link above to learn about common car tire mistakes you're making right now. Tip number 10, prevent engine damage with proper lubrication. Lack of lubrication can destroy your engine fast, but avoiding it is easy. First, change your oil on time. Dirty oil doesn't lubricate well and increases engine wear. Switching to synthetic oil can help. It reduces friction and protects key parts like piston rings and bearings. Always use the correct oil viscosity from your owner's manual. Using the wrong thickness can affect lubrication, especially during startups when most engine wear occurs. After an oil change, pre-fill the oil filter if it installs vertically. If it's angled, crank the engine for 3 10-second intervals with the fuel pump relay removed. Another option is clear flood mode. Hold the gas pedal down while cranking to allow oil pressure to build before starting. Want to avoid common oil change mistakes? Watch 17 costly oil change mistakes that ruin your engine fast. Secret number 11. Clean your fuel injectors for better performance. Clogged fuel injectors can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and lower fuel efficiency. Carbon buildup disrupts fuel delivery, leading to misfires and increased engine wear. Fortunately, keeping your injectors clean is simple. Pour a fuel injector cleaner into your tank when fuel is low right before filling up. This helps break down deposits and ensures smooth fuel flow. Follow the instructions and add the correct amount. Then fill your tank with gas to mix it properly. Regular cleaning improves mileage, prevents clogs, and extends engine life. Check the description for the top-rated Chevron Techron fuel system cleaner. The bonus tip: turn off your car's start-stop system. Modern vehicles equipped with start-stop systems are designed to handle frequent engine restarts. Components like starter motors and bearings are engineered for durability, often rated for up to 300,000 cycles. While these systems can enhance fuel efficiency, especially in heavy traffic, they may increase wear on parts such as motor mounts and alternators. Over time, this leads to expensive repairs. Many cars have a manual override button on the dashboard, but it resets every time you start the car. Some aftermarket devices can disable it permanently, though they may affect your warranty. The inconvenience of frequent restarts and added wear outweigh the small fuel savings. Check your owner's manual on how to turn it off and save your engine from unnecessary strain. There you have it. Secrets to make your car last 700,000 miles. Follow these tips and your car will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below to watch our video on car repair secrets that will save you $2,720 every year.